Hi everyone, this is Catherine Galloway. It's nice to see you all again, and meet some new faces, I guess, too. My field experience last year was at an intensive outpatient treatment center for addictions and mental health. So we provided group counseling and individual counseling for our clients. I learned a lot there. That was my first experience dealing with addictions, and I really enjoyed it more than I thought I would. So that was a big plus, and really learned a lot since I'm I'm new to the social work field, and so that was really my first experience jumping in with both feet, and really enjoyed it. So my goals are really to become confident in my skills as I enter the clinical part of social work. So just really trusting myself and trusting the knowledge that I have and being able to put that into practice, um, and back that up with the knowledge. So take the knowledge that I have, and use it confidently in practice. Opportunities and challenges that I see. So as I mentioned, I am new to social work. So even though I've been, a professional for the last 10, 12 years, it hasn't been in the field of social work. And so sometimes I think it's a challenge to be taken seriously when I don't have those skills on paper necessarily, but I do have the skills from my past field work and from classes and learning everything that I have been through the program. So I think that's an opportunity. And a challenge, or that's a challenge. An opportunity that I see is just kind of bringing fresh eyes to the field, and having, the background that I have and applying that. I kind of have more of like a policy background and government and bureaucracy background. So applying that to the field of social work and kind of bringing that lens. So I think that's an opportunity too. So that is me in a nutshell, and I look forward to meeting all the rest of you and working with you. Thanks.